Hello all. In my last video, I have shared about how to use implicit weight and how to use explicit weight. Today, we'll see what is fluent weight. Fluent weight is nothing but it is same as of explicit weight, but here we can give the polling frequency. Let's say in explicit weight, if I say 30 second is the weight we have given, then by default in explicit weight, let's say 30 second I have given, by default 50 to 250 millisecond is the polling frequency. But in fluent weight we can give fluent weight, that is polling frequency 2 seconds or 5 seconds based on our requirement. And in fluent weight we can ignore the exceptions like no such element exception, no visibility of element exception. So what we'll do, we'll open Chrome, then okay, here in Google search for Selenium Dev and open the Selenium Dev. Here go for the downloads, and after downloads, here in Java click on API docs, then you can search Fluentwait here. Here you can see that the Fluentwait is, here you can see that each Fluentwait instance defines the maximum amount of time to wait for a condition as well as the frequency with which to check the condition. Here, this part is known as the declaration part of the fluent weight, and this part is known as the implementation part. Now, here you can see that Wait WebDriver wait is an interface and Fluent wait is a class. Now, with maximum timeout duration of second 30, maximum time duration, that is 30 seconds, here it is given, and polling frequency, that is polling every 5 seconds. Here you can change the polling frequency, that is 2, 5, 10, based upon your requirement. But in implicit and explicit weight, what happens, the default time for polling frequency is 250 milliseconds. So this is the interview question. They can ask what is the default time of polling frequency in implicit and explicit weight, that is 250 millisecond. And here you can see that we can change the polling frequency, that is 5 second, 2 second, etc. Not what happens if the maximum time is 30 second, every 5 second it will check for the web element. Now, in Fluent Wait, one more thing we can do is ignoring the exceptions like no such element exception, no visibility of exception, element exception, like that. Now, what we'll do, we will do it practically. Now, in my Selenium session, I'll create one class and I'll name it as Fluent Wait. Take the main method and finish it. Now, copy these 4 lines, paste it here to open the Chrome. Now here what we'll do, we will google.com. Now here first we will see, I want to search for Java here. Now after Java, I want to click. Now take this URL google.com, paste it here. Now after maximizing the window, I want to driver dot find element. Now here you can see that inspect this. Here by dot name is given as q, so I'll take that by dot name, and name is Q. Now I will web element ele equal to, now control shift O is the shortcut to import the import statement, that is go to the web element and control shift O. Now after this what I want to do, I want to send ele dot send keys, I want to search for Java, right? Now after that here you can see that if I type Java manually and it is overlapping the Google search button. So what we'll do after what I will do after searching for Java, I'll just enter, that is ele dot send keys dot enter. Okay, now go to the Google, that is Selenium Dev. I will open one more. Okay, Selenium Dev downloads, and here in Java API docs, search for Fluentwait. Now, no need to remember this syntax, just copy it. First, we'll take the declaration part and paste it here. After this, import all the import weight and import fluent weight and import duration from java.type, import, okay, ignoring, okay, it is now showing. What we'll do, mouse over control shift O, then org.openqa.selenium, take this and finish it. Now this is the, we can say, declaration part of Fluentwait. Here you can see that weight is an interface, Fluentwait is a class, and the maximum you can remove this L, no problem. The maximum duration we have given is 30 seconds and polling for every 5 seconds. You can make it as 2, 3, 5. We'll make it as 7 now. Now, and ignore the exception, that is no such element exception. Now we'll copy the implementation part of the Fluent weight. Copy it here. This is the implementation part. Right. Now you have to import function. Import java util dot function. One more is the, okay. Here you can see that by dot web element foo is the name of the web element that they have given, and wait until new function WebDriver web element, public element WebDriver driver, return driver dot find element by dot id. So here what I will do, I will just, I want to send keys, that is Java here. So what I will do, that is browser name, enter Java, then enter, right? Java, then enter. We will name it as web element as element. here by dot. After entering Java, pressing OK, I want to press on this Java Oracle. Inspect this. Here you can see that this one is the will create XPath. Here text is there, so what I will do, double slash forward slash h3 text equal to what is Java Oracle. Control C, Control V. Now I want to click on this element. So I will take this copy and by dot xpath, and after this I want to click on this element, right? So element dot click. This is how we can use the Fluentwait. Now I will run this Java, enter, then Java Oracle. It has clicked. Now let's say I want to, here I have clicked Java Oracle. Now let's say I want to come to the main window again. Then I want to click on Java tutorial. So inspect this. Here you can see that this is a h3 class. We'll write a XPath h3 text equal to, once again spy this Java tutorial, copy this, paste it here. Okay, there are two elements. So first one, second one. Okay, I want to click on first one. We'll do indexing, copy this. Now here you can see that I want to navigate back, right? After clicking on this Java Oracle, I want to navigate back to the page, main page, and I want to click on Java, that is Java tutorial, right? Now what we'll do, driver dot navigate dot back. Now if I want to use again this Fluentwait, no need to declare it again. Just take the implementation part and paste it here. Now we'll name it as element 1, and I have copied the XPath. What is the XPath here? Okay, this one, copy this one XPath and paste it here. So this is how we use Fluentwait for two web elements. First, declare the Fluentwait and then just copy the implementation part and specify the web element. After this, I want to click on this, right? So what I will do, element 1 dot click. Save this. Now we'll run this. It will first enter Java, search Java Oracle, click, navigate back, and Java tutorial. Here you can see that Java tutorial has been clicked. This is how you can use Fluentwait. That is, Wait is an interface Here you can see wait is an interface and fluent wait is a class, and maximum duration you can give, and polling frequency, that is if I have given 7, for every 7 second it will poll and it will search for the web element that is you have given, that is by dot xpath. This for Java Oracle it will search for every 7 second. Let's say if it finds in first 7 second, it will just ignore the rest of the time, and you just what you want to click it, so it will click on that web element. Now say if I want to use the fluent wait for the next web element also, so just copy this implementation part and give the locator, and what you want to do with click or send keys, you can do that. Hope you will understood this. Please do subscribe to my channel and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you.